Good morning. I have not even taken care of my face, so ignore the fact that I look like I need another nap. But I've been up and busy this morning, like I can't even take myself seriously with my face. So let me just set you guys right here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention like the #1 present I got for Christmas. I got it for myself, but it is the Amazon Fire tablet. I actually got it on Prime Day, and then so I got an amazing deal because it's an Amazon product. And then on Prime Day, I forget what I got it for, but it was like, I think I got it for like $80, something like that. And it's cheap anyway to begin with. It's like, I mean, the prices do fluctuate, but it's like around $100-ish. I mean, for a tablet. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. I keep it up here and I'll watch like YouTube on it. Anyways, I've been up and busy this morning. Let me wash my face really quick. Okay. I don't know why, but my eyes are coming across so dark on camera and they don't look that way at all, but I'm gonna grab for my my Burt's Bees complexion stick. I'm gonna let that dry for a second while I tell you guys what I've been up to. I did some DIYs today. I'm actually waiting on one more to film. I'm painting it and I'll show you guys what it is. So I'm waiting for that to dry so that I can complete the clip and filming it and then get the cover photo for it, and then I'll start editing this video, which I need to do pretty soon because I committed to a release time. What else? I think I'm gonna go for the skin renewing retinol today. I read the instructions on this and you can wear this during the day and you can apply this, use alone or under makeup once or twice a day. So I was kind of surprised. So maybe I don't have like a true retinol. I thought that's what I got, but I definitely need like a nighttime retinol or whatever. I don't even know. Anyway, I have no plans to wear makeup today. I've just been loving like a fresh face, especially if I don't have to be on camera for my main channel. And obviously this is my vlog, so this is just a more casual place for me. But all right, I'm gonna let that soak in. But yeah, I've been doing DIYs, Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIYs, and I'm in love. They are so cute. And what's interesting is I was talking in my hauls about how pink is my color of choice for Valentine's Day, which it is, but when I was doing these DIYs, I was in a red zone. I just was so drawn to it, and it's so beautiful and vibrant, and I just found myself doing a lot of red stuff. So anyways, I don't know if you guys heard Loxy barking or not in the beginning of the clip, but the people are here to take down the Christmas lights. So check that off the list. I have to pick up groceries today, which I did get a couple of new things. So we're gonna do another grocery haul. And I also need to pop into Walmart first before I pick up my groceries because I do need a new curtain rod. So after the last vlog where I showed you guys putting up the curtains, actually I don't know if it's in this vlog or not because I think I've been vlogging not that much lately, but after that clip of me installing the curtains in the guest bedroom, I extended the curtain rod that was there and it doesn't go out far enough. So I have to get a new rod. And it kind of solves my solution because I don't have to like move and reposition the brackets that are already drilled into the wall. I'm gonna leave those as is. I'm just gonna get a longer rod that can extend out, and then I'll put the curtains on the outside areas of the bracket. You'll see what I'm talking about. Enough of that. So here's one of the DIYs. Is that not so cute? It's actually 4 canvases. I'll link the DIY down below so you guys can see how I did it. There's a couple of things I've put up just because I was just taking photos of it, but I haven't like officially decorated yet. I want to do like a clean and decorate with me video for my main channel, but I'll show you another piece. Here is this one, which honestly, it's so beautiful, so easy. Basically cost $2. And then I'm gonna walk over here. As you can see, I've got my setup still. I've got my light over here. This is the last DIY that I'm waiting for this to finish drying. And then there's the main crew. And then this DIY right here, you guys. Oh my gosh. It is the prettiest thing ever. I probably need to do some bows on this end and that end, but honestly, I think this way is probably perfect enough, but it's my favorite out of all of them. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree banner, Dollar Tree hearts, Dollar Tree ribbon. Yeah, please go watch that video. I know you guys will love all the ideas, or hopefully. Who am I to tell you what you're gonna love and what you're not gonna love? And here's another one right here. It's just really simple, you guys, but I feel like it's just perfect. I don't think that you have to overthink DIYs and add so many steps to create something beautiful, classic, simple. Like this was $1. I've lost my train of thought, but oh, I know what I was gonna say. I meant to go to Walmart like I told you guys, and I was gonna run in there and get the curtain rod, but my video, my Valentine's Day DIY video.
I don't know why I like caramel now.
Okay. So my daughter ended up having to go to the grocery store because, like I said, I got caught up in my Valentine's Day decor DIY video, and it just took me a little bit longer than expected. And it's like super cold. I'll show you guys the weather in a second. I mean, it's like something's rolling in for sure. So I'm gonna be, you know, staying at home as per usual, but I will go back out to Walmart tomorrow and finish the curtain situation. But let's get into the haul because I did get several new things and I'll explain it all. Not new are the Swiss cake rolls because we can't seem to get off of these.
People think we're diabetic is what people think.
Oh, for sure. Okay. Over here, I got celery because I asked you guys on Instagram for some soup recipes, and thank you if you submitted one to me so much. They all looked so delicious. So there's one where I'm gonna use celery for it and carrots as well. I really wanna do like a nice vegetable soup as my first try. So I got that, but I think some of this is also for another recipe that I'm gonna do as well. I just forgot, because I did shop some of this for specific dinners. So like, for example, I got this top sirloin steak. I actually wanted flank steak, which is usually what you guys see in my videos, because you guys know I basically broil it with vegetables, but I still wanted flank steak because I'm gonna try a Mongolian beef crock-pot recipe that I found on Pinterest. And in that recipe, the lady said that you could do sirloin as a replacement for flank steak. So I'm gonna use this. I don't know why I got two, to be honest. I only ordered one, but maybe it shows two in my cart. As usual, we have the bell peppers. I just love these. These are my vegetables of choice, along with some more broccoli. And then lots of cream cheese here, which is hilarious. So, and in different packaging. So this cream cheese I get from my daughter for the bagels. This cream cheese is what I got for some crock pot. I want to make my corn again. I made it for Thanksgiving and then I did it again on Christmas, and I want to make it yet again. And then I think I'm also going to do another crock pot meal, which I've never tried before, and I think it's called creamy ranch chicken or something like that. So, and I think it calls for cream cheese. And then I got heavy whipping cream because I'm also gonna make Cajun chicken pasta, which I do have a recipe of that on my channels. I got the green onions. These are gonna be like the garnish that I'll add to the Mongolian beef when I make it, which I'm gonna try it hopefully tomorrow so that I can use like a fresh thing. And then parsley. I forget what the parsley was for. I think it's for the ranch chicken thing. And then we got some more bagels, although this isn't the... We got some more bagels for her. This is not the brand I usually get, and they didn't even send me a note for substitutes, or I probably honestly wouldn't have approved it. We have a certain brand that we get, but here's what we got. It's fine, move on. Also got some more of the salsa. She just goes through this stuff a lot. And then I got soy sauce. So this is gonna be for the Mongolian beef. Strawberry Pop-Tarts. And then these bow ties I got for that chicken ranch recipe. I've actually seen this chicken ranch thing for a really long time, so I'm kind of excited to try it now. I needed some light bulbs, and then I needed my toothpaste. This is what I've been on for quite a while, and love it. And then I got garlic, but I didn't realize I actually had some in the pantry. I cleaned out the pantry a little bit today, so I found some, but that's fine. Love garlic. We've got some avocados here, and then these baby red potatoes. I'm gonna do a recipe I found on Pinterest. I'm sure it's like most red potatoes recipe, but you know, just bake it or whatever in the oven. And then my daughter went and got parfaits. So this is actually from Market Street. She got some other stuff from Market Street, but she already put it up. So I just wanted to show you guys, she got me some parfaits. And then I got more chicken breast because some I'm gonna use for the Cajun chicken pasta. The other one I'm gonna use for the creamy ranch chicken thing. And then I wanted to have some more on hand for my lemon chicken that I always make. Then here's the corn that I got. This is for the Crockpot creamy corn I mentioned, for the cream cheese that I got. Here is the packet of ranch seasoning that goes for that recipe. And then I got brown sugar, which goes for the Mongolian beef recipe. And then parsley flakes. I forget which recipe that is. And then the cream of mushroom, I also did not get cream of mushroom. I got cream of chicken. Somebody just didn't send me the substitutes. It's fine. I'm sure this is fine. In the recipe, I remember her saying that these are fine. So I guess I'll try those. And then this right here, let's talk about Vanessa. She recently talked about the Febreze Ocean, and she says it smells divine, but this was all I could get my hands on, was the air freshener. I wanted the Febreze fabric softener in Ocean, but Walmart has not had it in stock, not mine at least. I have seen it on Amazon. It's kind of pricey, so maybe I'll just like go to a Target and see if I can find it. I haven't even sprayed this, so maybe I won't even like it, but let me test it. Interesting. This smells like a guy, and that's what I think she had like referenced that it smelled just so good. And God, it definitely reminds me of a cologne. And I love, there are a lot of scents where if it smells like a guy, like I just love it. This one is not, I don't like it. Immediately, I don't like it, but definitely try it because I just have a very sensitive sense of smell, and I'm sure the majority of you would love this stuff. I think my daughter will love this. So I'm gonna put this upstairs. Use that upstairs. And that's the haul. Hopefully I got everything. Sometimes when I'm editing, I'll look through and I'm like, oh, you forgot this one thing. But I feel like I mentioned pretty much everything.